how to track your expenses. If you've ever reached the end of the month and you thought, where did my money go? You're not alone. Tracking your expenses is one of the simplest ways to take control of your finances, reduce stress, and start building wealth. In today's video, I'm breaking down the easiest ways to track your expenses. We will look at the best apps, some manual methods, and a system that you can start using today, even if you've never budgeted before. If you're ready to stop guessing and start managing your money with confidence, let's get into it. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why tracking your expenses is so powerful. It shows you exactly where your money is going. It helps you to spot the wasteful spending. It keeps you accountable to your goals. It reduces financial anxiety, and it gives you the clarity that you need to budget properly. This video is for you if you have a money problem or a visibility problem. Once you can see your spending, you can control it and you can do something to increase your income. So, here are some apps that can help you with tracking your expenses. Monzo or Sterling UK. If you're in the UK, Monzo or Sterling are fantastic because they automatically categorize your spending. You get instant notifications, spending breakdowns, and monthly insights without doing anything manually. Another good app is Emma app. Emma connects you to your bank account and gives you a full picture of your finances. It tracks your subscriptions, categorizes your spending, and even alerts you when you overspend in a category. Number 3, Google Sheets. If you prefer something customizable, Notion or Google Sheets are great options. You build your own dashboard, track your categories, and personalize it to your lifestyle. Now, we've talked about the apps. Let's talk about some manual methods that you can use. Number 1, notebook method. This is the simplest method. Every time you spend, write it down. It builds awareness and makes you think twice before spending. Number 2, envelope method. This method is great if you overspend easily. You divide your cash into different envelopes like groceries, eating out, transport. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending. Number 3 is weekly review method. So this is where instead of tracking every transaction, you can review your bank statement once a week. Highlight your spending categories, total them up. This gives you clarity without daily tracking. If you're feeling overwhelmed, start with these simple 3 steps. Step number 1, pick a method. Don't try to use 5 apps at once. No, that's not going to work. That's going to just be overwhelming. Choose one tool and stick with it for 30 days. Step 2, categorize your spending. Use broad categories like transport, food, bills, fun, savings. Then number 3, review weekly. Spend 10 minutes every week. It could be Sunday, Saturday, any day of your choice to review your spending. Ask yourself, what surprised me? What can I reduce? And what do I want to prioritize next week? This is how to build awareness and control. Here are a few mistakes to avoid. Tracking too many categories. Switching apps every week. You try this app, you feel this doesn't work, you switch. No. Not reviewing your spending, forgetting to include small purchases, and being too strict and burning yourself out. Expenses tracking should be easy and repeatable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.